I know exactly when you're going to throw a body shot. And I don't even need to look at your shoulders. Most fighters think they telegraph punches with their hands, but in reality, they don't telegraph it with their hands, they telegraph it with their eyes. So before you throw that heavy punch into the liver, for a split second, your eyes are going to do that. And that's what I'll see. You might not feel it, you might not be aware about it, but an elite counter striker is going to see it all the time. Right at the moment that you're going to be looking at the shot, he's already going to prepare an uppercut to come that you won't see, and he's going to put you to sleep. This is how you fix it today. You disconnect your eye from the target. Get used of looking where you strike, not breaking eye contact. Trust your instinct and your peripheral vision. Be completely unpredictable, and don't forget to follow my account for more advice like that.